So I hope you have seen the picture, that is diagram of reaction of acid, not reaction of acid. Hope you saw the picture, that is diagram reaction of base with metal on your screen. Now coming to the next part, आगे बढ़ेंगे हम. Okay, procedure. So what you have to write in procedure? Same procedure is set the apparatus as shown in the diagram. Diagram में जिस तरीके से बताया गया उस तरीके से वो करना है. Take about 10 ml dilute NaOH. That means आपको 10 ml dilute NaOH ले लीजिए in clean and dry test tube. In a test tube में ले लेना है. Add few zinc granule in it and heat it. यहाँ पे क्या है स्टूडेंट, थोड़ा सा आपको एडिशनल कंटेंट है इसमें कि जहाँ पे हम एसिड के अंदर जैसा ही रिंग ग्रैन्यूल डाले रिएक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ था, लेकिन यहाँ पे रिंग ग्रैन्यूल डाल के थोड़ा सा हीट करना है उसको. तो हीट करने के बाद क्या होगा, ऑब्जर्वेशन, वी ऑब्जर्व द गैस इवॉल्व, यानी कि हमको गैस इवॉल्व होगी. नाउ बर्न दिस गैस, इट गिव्स पॉप साउंड इंडिकेटिंग हाइड्रोजन गैस. जैसा ही आप इसको बंद करेंगे, इसको हाइड्रोजन गैस का इंडिकेशन का पॉप साउंड होके ऑफ हो जाएगा वो. So chemical equation is nothing but base plus metal give rise to salt plus hydrogen gas. As you can see, 2NaOH plus Zn give rise to Na2Zn2H2. Okay, you can see H2. You can see H2 here. I will write this H2 once again in front of you because it is wrote like really small. Plus H2. H2 is nothing but, what is this? This is a gas. So this is the reaction of base with metal. This is a simple answer you have to. Now I am placing the answer on your screen. You need to copy, read, understand, memorize and revise. Okay, look at your screen. Now student, moving forward to the next topic, reaction of acid with metal carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate. So we have to do the reaction of acid with carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. For this actually we are taking metal carbonate as Na2CO3. This is nothing but Na2CO3. The name of this metal carbonate is sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Next, for metal hydrogen carbonate we are taking as Na2H. Okay, Na2HCO3. So we are not supposed to write like Na2. This is NaHCO3. I am just writing once again. You can see on the board NaHCO3. This is nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate. There is metal hydrogen carbonate. We are taking these two metals, that is for experiment. So for that I will just explain once. Now this is your reader activity number 4. You can go through with reader also. Now I am just explaining you. We need to do this experiment simultaneously. There is A and B experiment at a time. So for that what we have to do? We have to take two test tube. हमको 2 टेस्ट ट्यूब्स ले लेना है एक साथ. तो 2 टेस्ट ट्यूब लेके क्या कीजिए, लेबल लगा दीजिए उसको. एक को A मार्क कर दीजिए, दूसरे को B मार्क कर दीजिए. पहले वाले A वाले टेस्ट ट्यूब में आप क्या कीजिए, 0.5 ml. कितना? 0.5. सो नॉट ml, हियर वी कैन यूज एज ग्राम. 0.5 ग्राम क्या करना है, Na2CO3 डाल लेना है. सेकेंड वाले में 0.5 ग्राम NaHCO3 ये आपको डाल लेना है. ठीक है, डाल लेने के बाद एड अबाउट 2 ml ऑफ डाइल्यूट HCl ऑन बोथ टेस्ट ट्यूब. आपको दोनों ही टेस्ट ट्यूबों में 2 ml क्या करना है, HCl को ऐड कर देना है. तो व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व, आप ऑब्जर्व क्या करोगे. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा स्टूडेंट, ऑब्जर्वेशन में आपको मिलेगा कि एक गैस इवॉल्व होगी. तो ये गैस को आप क्या करोगे, लाइम वाटर में पास करोगे. जैसा ही आप लाइम वाटर में पास करेंगे कि वो वाटर आपका बिल्कुल मिल्की वाइट हो जाएगा. पहले लाइम वाटर रहता क्या, यूजुअली थोड़ा सा उसके अंदर ब्लूइश, थोड़ा लाइट ब्लूपन रहता, उदा रहता वो. लेकिन जैसे ही वो गैस इवॉल्व हो रही, उसको आप मिल्की वाटर में पास करेंगे तो वो वाटर पूरा एकदम दूध के जैसा हो जाता. जो ब्लूइश रहता लाइट लाइम वाटर, वो बिल्कुल वाइट दूध के जैसा हो जाएगा. तो गैस आपको इवॉल्व करना है. नाउ मैं थोड़ा सा इसका प्रोसीजर समझा देता हूँ. स्टूडेंट मेक श्योर दिस आंसर Actually I am just placing the diagram for this answer. Now for answer, as this is in simultaneously, I am just dictating the answer, you need to copy. So first I am dictating, you have to listen, concentrate. First, aim to show reaction of acid with metal carbonate. In bracket you need to write Na2CO3 and metal hydrogen carbonate. In bracket you need to write NaHCO3. So aim is done. Aim to show reaction of acid with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Aim done. Material required. In material required, what you will write? 2 test tube, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Third thing you need like lime water, and you have few things like Testes funnel and stand dilute HCl, like these things you need to require. This is an material required, you need to write the material required by your own. After that, procedure. Procedure, what you have to do in procedure? You have to just write the procedure like take 2 test tube, label them as A and B, take out 0.5 ml of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 in test tube A and about 0.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate in test tube B. Add about 2 ml of dilute HCl to both the test tube. This procedure 2 points is somewhat long. So that is why I am placing these 2 points on your screen. You can see on screen. Okay. Next, observation. What do you observe? Observation you need to write like pass the gas produced in each case through lime water. आपको क्या करना है? ये जो गैस है इसको पास करना है दोनों ही केसेस में थ्रू लाइम वाटर. इट टर्न्स टू अ मिल्की. ये क्या हो जाएगा? मिल्की टर्न हो जाएगा. तो ये आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन है. रिजल्ट में क्या है? वी हैव डन रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate successfully. This is done the experiment. But what is happened in the reaction? जो reaction हुआ उसके अंदर क्या हुआ वो अभी मैं आपको बोर्ड पे बता देता हूँ. ठीक है, आप देख लीजिए. So look at here the reaction. First we have doing like metal carbonate Na2CO3 plus what we have taken like HCl. It is as like 2HCl. What happen if these react with each other? We will get three products with us like 2NaCl. This is nothing but our sodium chloride. After that we will get like water H2O plus we will get like carbon dioxide CO2, not 3, that is CO2. Carbon dioxide is nothing but CO2. So what happen if we are just passing this carbon dioxide through lime water? What it's happened? It's turned to milky white. You have to write like this. So this is the reaction of acid. This is like acid. What is this? Is acid plus this is what? This is metal carbonate. As you can see, metal carbonate. What it's give rise to? It's give rise to like salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. CarbonDioxide, carbon dioxide. This happen. Now next, what happen if it's react with metal hydrogen oxide? Just I am writing here like you can see NaHCO3 plus HCl. Okay, this give rise to NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. This is the product side is same only, like salt plus water plus CarbON, carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Okay, salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Here HCl is nothing but acid only, and this NaHCO3 is nothing but metal hydrogen carbonate. This is our activity 4. And now thus from the above activity, you can conclude that the reaction of metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate with acid gives a corresponding salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, this is our activity number 4 as per your reader. Okay student, I am just placing this activity 4 on your screen, but you need to prepare from this activity a proper question, proper answer, like aim. You need to write the aim like to show the reaction of acid with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Material required, you need to see the diagram. From the diagram you have to pick up few things like acid, you have like HCl, Ca, Na2CO3, NaHCO3, few things you need to. Procedure also you need to prepare by yourself, observation also given, and result you have to write by yourself. This is our reaction of acid with metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate. Now one more reaction we have with us. Look at the board. Reaction of acid with metal oxide, reaction of base with metal oxide. These reactions I have to explain. Okay. So student, just I am writing what happen if acid react with metal oxide and nature of that. You have, and I am placing a activity on your screen. You need to prepare the notes by the help of that activity only. Okay. Now reaction of acid with metal oxide. Look at the board student. I am taking as metal oxide like CuO. This is nothing but copper oxide, HCl. Give rise to CuCO3 plus H2O. Student, acid with metal oxide, you can see the reaction here. Copper oxide, that is, this is nothing but metal oxide, plus HCl, this is acid, give rise to CuCl2, copper chloride plus water. This is the reaction. So you can see like metal oxide plus acid, okay, give rise to salt plus water. So student, is this reaction is similar to any reaction? ये जो आपको रिएक्शन बताया गया है, ये रिएक्शन किसी रिएक्शन से सिमिलर है क्या? जी हाँ, ये रिएक्शन बिल्कुल सिमिलर है न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन से. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं एसिड और बेस मिलकर आपको सॉल्ट और वाटर बन जा रहा था, तो ये सिमिलर है न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन से. और आपको यहाँ पे एक चीज़ जाननी चाहिए. सो यू नीड टू नो दैट मेटल ऑक्साइड नेचर. व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ मेटल ऑक्साइड? Okay, metal oxide is nothing but it is basic in nature. In nature it will be a basic. So in an examination you will get the answer like what is the nature of metal oxide. You need to write the answer like metal oxide are basic in nature like metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxides also like basic in nature. Now coming to the part reaction of base with, here we are not doing activity with metal oxide, but here we are doing activity with like non-metal oxide. We are just reacting base with non-metal oxide. So what happened with acid if base react with non-metal oxide? Any guess student? So student, now reaction of base with non-metal oxide. So I am taking like non-metal oxide is nothing but calcium hydroxide I am taking here. Okay, this is non-metal oxide. So I am just reacting with carbon dioxide. So student, now we are doing activity reaction of base with non-metal oxide. I am taking as base as calcium hydroxide and non-metal oxide as carbon dioxide. So if it is react, we will get like CaCO3, calcium carbonate plus hydrogen, water. Calcium carbonate is nothing but it is then salt, corresponding salt, and this is water. So student, here the non-metal oxides are in acidic nature. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, if we are speaking about the nature, it is an acidic. So this is all about our concepts on reactions. So we have done many reactions with us. Now we will going to do one experiment. Some compounds we have many compounds containing hydrogen, but few categorized as acid and few categorized as non-acid. That means they are not categorized into the acid. Example I will going to give you, like glucose alcohol. This compounds contain hydrogen, but it is not categorized as acid. Some compounds having like hydrogen chloride, so sulfur, that is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, they are categorized as acids, but alcohol and glucose are not categorized as acid. Why? What is the reason? So this answer I will going to place on your screen, as well as I will going to read it once, and after reading I will explain in our Hindi own language. But while reading you can understand, need not to explain much in English. Okay, I will just explain once in our own language Hindi after reading. Okay, the question you might have asked in your examination like this, and this question and answer is somewhat big. You need to copy and read 1 to 2 times. You need to put few efforts to memorize this answer. This answer is very easy, you can memorize by reading 2 to 3 times. Okay, so now I am reading the question. Compounds such as alcohol and glucose contains hydrogen but are not categorized as acid. Describe an activity to prove it. तो जैसा कि आप सवाल समझ सकते हैं कि कुछ कंपाउंड्स है, जैसा अल्कोहल है, ग्लूकोज है, इन लोगों के अंदर हाइड्रोजन है, लेकिन ये लोग एसिड में कैटेगराइज नहीं होते, कई को नहीं होते. आप इसको प्रूफ करके बताओ, एक एक्टिविटी करके. इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन आपको बताया जा रहा है. नाउ एम टू प्रूव दैट कंपाउंड सच एज अल्कोहल एंड ग्लूकोज कंटेन इन हाइड्रोजन बट आर नॉट कैटेगराइज एज एसिड. मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड: ग्लूकोज सोल्यूशन, अल्कोहल, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, sulfuric acid, 10 ml, 100 ml beaker, graphite rods, wires, bulb, AC plug of 230 volts, etc. That is end of thinking capacity. So these are the materials we are required. एम तो हमने जो क्वेश्चन था वही लिख लिया. मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड में हमको क्या क्या चाहिए? ग्लूकोज सोल्यूशन चाहिए, अल्कोहल चाहिए, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड चाहिए. मगर ख्याल रहे यहाँ पे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड और सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड थोड़ा डाइल्यूट लेंगे हम, कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड नहीं लेते हैं. और इसके साथ हमको 100 ml का बीकर चाहिए, और हमको इसके साथ चाहिए ग्राफाइट के रॉड्स चाहिए, और वायर चाहिए, और बल्ब चाहिए ग्लो होने के लिए. साथ ही साथ हमको एक AC प्लग यानी 230 वोल्ट्स का एक AC प्लग जो हमको नॉर्मली घरों में, स्कूल्स में यूज़ होता है, वो चीज़ें चाहिए. तो अब आपको प्रोसीजर करना क्या है, देखिए. जैसा कि प्रोसीजर पहले मैं आपके स्क्रीन पे डायग्राम शो करता हूँ, जैसा आप डायग्राम देख सकते हैं. उसके बाद मैं प्रोसीजर बनूंगा. Connect two different colored electric wire to graphite rod separately in a 100 ml of beaker as shown in the diagram. Connect free ends of the wire to 230 volts AC plug and complete the circuit as shown in diagram. Connect bulb to one end of wire. Now first, number 1, pour dilute hydrochloric acid. Number 2, dilute sulfuric acid. Number 3, glucose solution. Number 4, alcohol solution. One by one but separately and observe in each case. देखिए स्टूडेंट, है क्या, आपको करना क्या, एक बीकर आपने ले लिया, लेकर के उसके अंदर एक 2 ग्राफाइट के राडान डाल दिए. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा यानी कि डायग्राम बोर्ड पे भी बताऊंगा, रफली आप देखिए. Okay, as you can see, I am just drawing a rough diagram here. This is an beaker, suppose. Okay, in beaker I am putting 2 graphite rod, 1 and 2, this 2 graphite rod. After this I will going to put one wire here. Okay, this wire, and one wire here, like here I am placing one bulb. Okay, after placing the bulb we will get these 2 plugs into the 230 volts direct plug to our school. school or home, whatever you are doing. Now in this we are just putting few different solution. In first we are just putting it as like first we are putting as dilute HCl, okay, and observation, we are writing observation. After now remove this dilute HCl, now put second as like dilute H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, okay, observe, same observation. After this we are putting like third glucose solution, we are observing. Now after that we are just putting like alcohol, okay, and observe, taking the observation what we are observing. So now I will going to read the observation, okay. Observation: in case 1 and 2 we notice bulb glow. केस 1 एंड 2 में हमको क्या मालूम होगा, जो बल्ब होता है वो ग्लो होगा. एंड इन केस 3 एंड 4 बल्ब डज नॉट ग्लो. थर्ड और फोर्थ में बल्ब डज नॉट ग्लोज होता. सो रीजनिंग फॉर दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन, यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा स्पेशल कैटेगरी है, रीज़न लिख रहा हूँ मैं कि हमको ये क्या है, रीजनिंग क्या है इसमें ऑब्जर्वेशन में. ग्रोइंग ऑफ बल्ब इंडिकेट देर इज अ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट through solution. Acid solution have H plus ions and the movement of these ions in solution help flowing of electric current. जैसा कि आपको जैसा ही बल्ब ग्लो हो रहा तो आप समझ जाइए कि एसिड क्या कर रहा, एक आयंस प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हो. आयंस का नाम क्या है, हम उसको H प्लस आयंस बोलते हैं. ये H प्लस आयंस क्या कर रहे हैं, इसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फ्लो कर रहे हैं, इधर से इधर तक पूरी सर्किट को कंप्लीट करके बल्ब को ग्लो कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Does not glowing of bulb indicate absence of H plus ions and it cannot help flow of electric current. जैसा कि आप देख सकते केस 3 और 4 में आपको बल्ब नहीं जलेगा, तो यहाँ पे H प्लस आयंस क्या है, एब्सेंस है, तो ये हेल्प नहीं करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को जाने में. सो रिजल्ट क्या है, इट प्रूव्स कंपाउंड सच एज अल्कोहल एंड ग्लूकोज कंटेन्स हाइड्रोजन बट आर नॉट कैटेगराइज एज एसिड. सो दिस इज योर answer. This answer is somewhat lengthy, not too lengthy. Just you need to first copy down this answer, read 2 to 3 times. After reading you will get understanding few things. You need to memorize that thing. After memorizing you have to revise. So our 5 principle: copy, read, understand, memorize, revise. So I am placing this answer on your screen, you can copy down. Okay, now till here we have done. After that we will go forward. Okay, thank you.